Hi and welcome to Tricks. So today we are going to see about data entry in Excel. So I'll just create a sheet. Here you can see we are on a blank sheet. I'll just enter these names. So here you can see I created 5 employee name, Aadhaar card, date of joining, e-code and salary. So with the use of e-code, we are going to find out the name of the employees using criteria. So you can even use VLOOKUP, but if you are using form, it will be very easy to use. Here you can see, here I have, you can click on the forms. Otherwise, if you don't have more commands, all commands. To the form, here you can see, you can put it in the customers ribbon or quick access toolbar. I'm already having, so I'm clicking on OK. I'm selecting these 5 columns and OK. So here you can see it has came. Even here it is same as this, only had kept one more column. So employee name, let's keep it Joe. Here you can see Joe Roberts. I have written the employee name, the Aadhaar card, and for the date of joining I'll keep it the today's date. Control E code, let's do the 6 code. 6, it's a random number which I selected. For here you can select dollar 23,000, you can keep and keep new. Here you can see it has came. The same way I will do 10 of them. So where here you can see I created 3 of them, and let me say that I am having about 100 here. I am having 100 in my company, and I have this special code. Let's take it this code and just copying this, and again going here. Yes, so just selecting this all again, and here you can see it is there. Next, third one in the criteria. If I put code and here you can see the name is key. I'll just show you how it is done. So here we are. We go here, the criteria, e-code. I just copied that. Find previous, find next. So you can see it is not going for it is in the criteria. So this is how it works. I have 100 people in my company. I have the special code or Aadhaar card number or something special which only one person has. So I can just take it in the forms or use VLOOKUP, but I suggest forms where it is much more easier to use and fill the data sheets. So going to criteria, equal, pasting it and find next. So you can see it is in my second row column and I can see details. So it is as easy as that. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe for more.